Koh Samui like you've never seen it before. This dream island in the Gulf of Thailand is famous for its white beaches, night markets, beach clubs and diverse food scene. It's often seen as overcrowded, especially around the popular hotspots. But Koh Samui also has another side: peaceful, natural and truly unique. In this video we will show you our personal favorite spots, hidden gems that many visitors never discover. The well-known sites like Big Buddha or Shoeng Beach are familiar to most, but the most beautiful places often remain unseen. So join us and let's uncover the hidden side of Koh Samui together.
Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. This is the second part of our series Hidden Gems on Koh Samui, places you do not see in other YouTube videos. In the last video, part 1, if you haven't seen the first one, we will show it to you up here in the video somewhere as well as in the video description. In part 1 we've shown you lots of nice beaches. This is gonna change here in this one. Today we are going to take you in the middle of the islands, in the hills or the mountains if you would call them, of Koh Samui to show you some really nice places. So if you have enough of the beaches and the crowds of tourists here on the islands, we have two very special spots for you today where you're able to calm down, relax, unwind and just simply enjoy the nature. So let's go.
Today we are on the road by car, starting our trip from our favorite beach bar here on Koh Samui. We have a 30-minute drive to a very special place ahead of us, but more on that in just a moment. On the way to our first stop today, several highlights are waiting for you. A small waterfall, different viewpoints, the well-known Tarmin Magic Garden and a few cozy local restaurants, most of them offering stunning views over the southern part of Koh Samui. As always, you can find the exact location and some useful tips for getting there down below in the video description.
We have reached our first spot for today, which is called Suan som Anong, and it's a really beautiful place in the mountains, in the hills of Koh Samui, in the middle of the durian fields. So this place here is special because it's like a family-owned business. They are actually growing durian, but on the side they have created this small little paradise with a fish pond. There is horse riding over there. You can come here to unwind, to relax, just to simply enjoy the nature. And this is what we are going to do now. We will just, enjoy the place a little. And maybe one more thing. There is a entrance fee here of 100 baht. They will give you some fish food for it, so you can feed the fish. Sometimes they'll give you even some carrots to feed the horses. If you want to fly with a drone like we do today, that's gonna set you back another 500 baht. So when you come here at first, it seems that the place here is not that big, but there is so many hidden small paths around here that you can discover and walk on. So you can easily spend like 2 hours here just walking from path to path. So if you like that, if you want to maybe get off the people, if there is any people here at all, then you should definitely just take your time and discover. And how did we actually discover this place? It was very simple. It was by Google search. We went on Google Maps. I was just looking through the map of Koh Samui And then I kind of found this place. A couple of days later, we were here for the first time. It's now our third time here. Definitely won't be the last. And yeah, sometimes it definitely makes sense to, you know, not just only go to the crowded touristy places, but to discover something else as well, which is definitely at least as beautiful, but with much less crowd. I gotta tell you, it's really hot today. We have about 33 degrees, and that in the middle of the rainy season, guys. So yeah, for the past 2 weeks we've had quite a lot of rain. Like, it was really bad couple of days, but now since the past couple of days it's really nice. Lots of sun today. There's almost no clouds in the sky. So, you know, rainy season doesn't always mean raining all the time. You can definitely be lucky and have quite a couple of days or even weeks in a row where you have really nice weather, just maybe with like a little rain during the day, and that's about it.
As Mario mentioned before, Suan Si Anong is surrounded by hundreds of durian trees, and the durian is supposed to be the king of the fruits here in Thailand. It is one of the most expensive, if not the most expensive fruit here in Thailand. And next to the many durian trees, you also can find mangosteen trees. And mangosteen in Southeast Asia is supposed to be the queen of the fruits. Just a small thing on the side, if you like to explore Suan Si Anong and all the hidden trails here, then we recommend you take a mosquito spray with you. Especially now during rainy season, the mosquitoes are very active, but in general it's always worthy to carry one mosquito spray in your bag with you wherever you go in Thailand. We've enjoyed Suan Si Anong for almost 1.5 hours now, and it's always such a pleasure to be here and enjoying this tranquility and the sounds of nature and all these hidden gems you can find here. So we are heading up to spot number 2 for that video. For you it's just a second. We have to drive 45 minutes now, so see you there.
If you're exploring Koh Samui by bike and feel like having a little adventure, you can take the most direct way from Suan Si Anong to our second spot for today. But be careful, this road is not what it seems. What looks like a simple shortcut on Google Maps turns out to be a rough, bumpy trail with steep sections and loose gravel. It's definitely only for experienced riders who feel confident on their motorbike and enjoy off-road fun. For everyone else, stick to the official road, the same one we are taking in this video. It's a little longer, but much safer and far more relaxed to drive.
We are driving on the shortcut from Lamai to Mai Nam, as our spot number 2 for this video is exactly half the way from Mai Nam to Lamai. And yeah, what to see there? I will show you in a second. And how cool is it to just drive at the back of a pickup truck here on Koh Samui? So this is one of the most wonderful streets to drive on Koh Samui. Not that much traffic and with absolutely amazing views of the jungle here on the island.
We have arrived at spot number 2 for this video. It's also located in the lush mountains of Koh Samui, just a little bit more north than spot number 1. And this particular place is called Mr.Dee Chilling Hill. This is a family-owned business where you can enjoy nature, tranquility and the uniqueness of this place. And also your smartphone can take a rest because here you have no signal at all. We start with a really nice and refreshing watermelon shake. By the way, one of the best we've tried here on Koh Samui so far. This watermelon shake is served with a traditional bamboo straw. And it's absolutely amazing, so delicious. So make sure if you're here, try one of their amazing juices. And we are waiting for our food now, and in a minute I will tell you a little bit more about this place.
So food has arrived and I ordered one of my favorites here, chicken butt krapao, which is basically stir-fried chicken with some chilies, Thai basil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, all that kind of stuff, some rice and a fried egg. Really delicious. It's kind of spicy though. If you don't want it that spicy, you can tell them that's spicy, but it's absolutely an amazing dish. And if you like butt krapao and you're here on Koh Samui, come to this place and try it. You're not gonna regret it, definitely. What about you? What you got?
So I've ordered stir-fried vegetable with shrimps, and as Mario mentioned, it's absolutely delicious. So I would say this is one of the places here on Koh Samui where you can get the best Thai food ever. And yeah, just make sure to check this place out if you're here on the island. And for now, have a good one. So we finished our food and it was so delicious. So please make sure if you come here, try out the traditional Thai dishes, because here they are better than anywhere else, to be honest. And now it's time to show you around Mr.Dee Chilling Hill garden a little bit, because the very special thing about that is that most of the fruits, vegetable and herbs they use for cooking. They're planting in their own garden, and it's such a huge area. So I suggest lean back and enjoy. And I also was lucky enough that Kenya, she's one Thai lady who is running the cooking classes here at Mr.Dee Chilling Hill. So if you like to do a cooking class, I will mention everything in the video description below. So if you like that, just check that out. And for now, let's go and see the garden. Such a nice place here.
But a little bit mosquito. Papaya, but this one is a yellow papaya. Papaya, they do papaya salad. You do papaya salad, it's green.
Yes.
But this one, same family, but different species.
Also the taste different?
Taste similar. I take everything from Nancy.
Ah, okay.
Yes, Nancy, they practice me first.
Okay.
And I do everything same as Nancy.
No. Lemongrass, wow.
Yes.
Look at this lemongrass. Wow, amazing. Here you do the cooking classes.
This one is from garden.
Pepper?
Purple, yes.
Wow.
And you do this dry with the sun. For the Thai style. Traditional banana from the garden. Stone is good for black pepper. We smash because of the smell. But if you go with the machine, it's different. When my students come to the class, I always show them everything. It's nice.
Baby lime.
But when they get older, they become soft. It's ready for the juice.
Then you can squeeze.
Yeah. dill.
Dill, yeah. Very, very common for cucumber salad.
This is special. This one young, but when they getting all big like this.
Yes,
big
wow.
like this, yes. And when they old, become yellow.
But you can eat it also.
Eat, yes, but very sweet. You can eat like a salad.
Oh, passion fruit, wow.
This is a durian, a young one. Cannot eat, but when they come old, ready,
Yes,
become yellow.
very soft, right?
Yes, it's nice.
Yes, I liked it. It was like a little bit buttery and it smelled a little bit like vanilla something.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's an eggplant. Ginger.
I never saw ginger leaves. I only know the root. If you want to have the smell, you have to squeeze, right?
Squeeze everything. Cinnamon tree. Stepping now to durian.
Much more sweet, right?
Much more sweet.
So how long takes it for jackfruits to grow?
Quite long. About 6 months.
But they can get up really big, right?
Yeah, can get sometimes like this.
Wow. I have proper education here.
Alice.
This is when Mr.Dee takes you along the garden here. You can eat, right?
Oh, I don't know that.
In Austria, we use it for Christmas baking or Christmas cookies.
Oh.
From Thailand.
Also Thailand.
From North.
Another thing you can explore here, just 5 minutes next to Mr.Dee Chilling Hill restaurant, which we showed you before, there is a waterfall. So you can do a little jungle hike down to the particular stream. And I'm pretty curious now how many water there is now, because we have been here a couple of months ago and there was very little water. But now, as we have rainy season, let's see how many water is there. So we go all the way down to the waterfall, through the durian, mangosteen and banana plants here. And it's so peaceful. Look at this. Welcome to the jungle of Koh Samui. So we are following the ropes now. I'm getting down and make sure you have maybe better shoes on than me. Just here with my slippers. It's not the best thing to walk down with them. Look at this nature. So the last meters through the waterfall. Whoop, look at this. You can have a very refreshing bath. So normally in rainy season this is fully covered with water, but as we had a couple of dry days now, it's a little bit less than expected. On this point, we will end our video for today. So feel free to tell us in the comments which place was your favorite one. And also, if you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. This will mean the world to us. And with that said, thank you for joining us today and see you in the next one. For those who want to watch our videos in German, hop over to our channel lifemuchmore to subscribe the channel. With that said, make life your most extraordinary journey and see you in the next one.